back to What the Show!
What the show?
With your two favorite hosts, Joe and
Dustin.
Today we have another super fun episode for you guys.
We're playing Hangman.
Game over.
Garbage Pail Kids card style.
Garbage Pail Kids. What?
Yes.
What?
Justin went to a thrift shop the other day.
I went to a flea market the other day, and I got a whole mess of these Garbage Pail Kids, and it made me nostalgic. $1. $1.
Yes, and since we did one episode back in the day,
Yeah, go check out the episode. It's up by Joe's head.
we thought maybe we'd do another one.
It's not good.
So how are we going to play this, Dustin?
Alright, Hangman rules. You guess letters. You get them. We got 60 seconds. For every wrong letter you guess, though, you're going to have to eat one of these Bean Boozled
What?
at the end of the round.
What? Alright, man.
So it's going to be, Garbage Pail Kids are gross. Bean
Yeah.
Boozled are gross.
Yeah,
You ready?
they fit. Yeah, let's do it, man.
Let's just get going. Alright, so every time he gets a wrong letter, he's got to take it a step.
While still guessing.
And the only clues is going to be the illustration. I'm not going to give you a clue.
Give me
or anything.
hints, though, man, right?
No, it's Hangman. You ready?
Alright, man.
Go.
A. Oh,
Go
God.
ahead.
E. Oh, God, it's gross.
Yep.
A.
Again? No.
C. Really, dude?
Nope.
E?
You said E!
Oh, sorry, alright. I'm under pressure. O.
There's no.
R.
Yep. Dude.
M.
Oh, eat it. That was done, too.
D.
Oh, yeah.
I.
No.
Come on, man.
Eat it out, come on!
I don't know what this one is. T.
Nope.
That last one. I? Did I say I?
Oh, my God. No. So,
Oh, these are gross, dude.
his name is Door Knox. Knox.
1 minute is not long enough, man. 1 minute is not long
That's
enough.
plenty long, trust me. Alright, you ready?
You're gross, dude. You ready to do this, man? Start that timer. Alright, here we go.
Alright, B.
Nope.
Oh, no. A. I thought so.
You got an A. Yep, you got an A.
R. Come on, do
Nope,
R.
nope, nope, nope.
Dude, yes, hurry up. S.
Nope.
T.
Wait, I'm not even adding hands. Okay,
T.
yep.
E.
Okay. Dude, 1 minute is not long enough.
M. Why am I eating one? I ain't getting it wrong.
Come on!
T. O.
No.
Vomit.
Okay, yep.
Annette Vomit.
Nope. I'm gonna give you an A for that one. Or whatever, another. Okay.
Rocket Vomit. Valerie Vomit.
Yes, you got it. Wow. Wow.
Woo!
You did pretty good on that
Woo!
one, man.
I got 2 good tasting ones.
I ate like 100 crappy ones.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Valerie Vomit.
Valerie Vomit. For a second, though, I couldn't remember how to spell her name. I think I spelled it right. It's a lot of pressure, man. All right.
A minute is tough. All right, ready? Round 2. I got the last one.
I don't want to. I'm
I
not
got
ready,
the
man.
last
I'm
one.
not ready, dude. All right,
Go.
let's go. A.
No.
E.
Yes.
Oh, why don't you do another one?
I know, right? I did that too.
I.
No.
A. Oh, this one's bad. I don't know what this brown one.
Talk through that thing.
L.
Nope.
Yeah.
You gotta do it. Come on, hurry up. Dude, you're losing. You gotta eat a handful if you don't get it.
Spoiled milk. S.
Yes! Come on, you're close. What is it?
Trash. T.
Yes.
V.
Yes. Come on, you're so close, you're so close.
What is that?
I have that one. That one because you lost.
Dude, I can't do this. This tastes really bad. It's like milk.
That's spoiled milk, probably.
Spoiled milk is gross.
It's Steve Rogers.
What is that? Rotters.
Like Rogers. Steve Rogers is Captain America.
I don't know Steve Rogers. Who the heck is Steve Rogers?
Hey, Joe got that one wrong. That's
Right.
really Rancid, right? Rancid Rick. Huh?
Yeah. Alright.
Joe's over it.
I am over it. These taste gross, dude.
Oh, no. This one's probably like boogers.
No, it's gross. It smells like, tastes like eggs.
Get it off the table. There's an empty thing there. Get round 2. Joe's turn.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh. R.
Nope.
Green. N. Oh. G. No, I have that. It's booger.
God.
I.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
S.
Nope.
Oh. That one was like chocolate or something. F.
Nope.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Q.
Come on. Nope.
Y.
Why? I guess
No.
why?
No.
Okay.
Why does it taste real bad?
Come on.
T.
No.
Oh.
That's it. That's it. You didn't get it. Eat that one. You have to eat one for getting on that right one.
Ooh, toothpaste.
Yeah, you got lucky with toothpaste. I hope you got rotten egg.
And butter popcorn.
Ah, you suck.
What is it?
Igloo.
Oh, igloo!
Yes.
Oh,
I am so over this game, man. This game is so
igloo
bad.
makes sense. I get it. We got one more round. More Garbage Pail Kids. Ready? I love
Ready.
Garbage Pail Kids. Go.
E.
Yep.
T.
Nope. Yep. Let's go. Hurry up.
S.
Nope.
Come on. I.
Yes.
N.
Yes.
A.
Nope.
F.
Nope.
R.
Yes.
S.
You already said S, you dummy. E.
G.
Oh, G. Eat another one. Eat another one.
O.
Yes. So close, so close. Ah. Eat it.
Why am I eating way more than you? Right?
You suck. Comic Con.
I hate this game, dude.
You get it?
You say so gross.
Like
man.
Comic Con.
Oh. I'm gonna vomit.
It's a fun game.
No, it's not. It's not fun at all. Alright, let's do it.
Alright, last round, last round. G.
Nope.
No, G. L.
Yeah.
A.
Nope.
No. S.
Nope.
E. Oh! That's dog food.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh!
Delay of game. Alright, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Was there an E?
Yes! I just want to know if there are two of them.
What?
Hey, your timer got... Okay, fine, whatever, that's fine.
I. W.
Nope.
What?
The show!
Expect.
Oh, God.
F. No. F.
You already said... You already said...
I have that one. No F.
No F. Come on, man!
T.
This is just one T.
Sorry. Liddy. L-T-T-I-E. What the?
Keep going! Keep going! Just keep going!
Oh!
Blank. Yes!
Louie. Screwy Louie.
Zotty Lottie.
Zotty Lottie. Show me how that's spelled. You son of a bitch.
Lottie.
There's no.
Spelled it wrong.
Eat.
I'll eat one. You still, there's no I. You still
I had true fish in a row. I can't. Give me your coop. Okay.
Oh, your breath smells horrible.
Get it out of my face! I put it in there.
You wanted to spit in it. Oh, okay, alright. Dude, these are gross. These are gross, and I'm sorry.
Zotty Lottie! That was...
Alright, man.
Did everybody see this?
It was close.
There's not enough letters there. Look at what he's rating me.
3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5.
No. This is what I had to look at. It's not fair. This isn't fair.
Well, I have a bonus one if you want to try a bonus one.
I don't! What the hell is Zotty Lottie? That doesn't even make sense.
Oh, but this card is worth $4,000, and it's the rarest of all Garbage Pail Kids cards.
Why?
I don't know, it's just rare and hard to find. And it's in glass cases, and it's super rare. And it's $4,000.
Whoever has it can suck it, because I don't care. Joe, aren't you glad I found Garbage Pail Kids at the Dirt Mall?
Yeah.
Well, that's it. I think I won.
You definitely won.
Whoop whoop!
You can have the win, because I'm over this game.
I think yeah. Jelly Belly's got, don't eat, this is garbage. It's a little garbage on wheels. I think a minute is a teeny bit too short to play.
Yes, it is! It is way too short.
Joe slow.
Yes, I'm slow at spelling stuff. We can do other kinds of
no joke, Joe slow.
I'm good at you know what? You're slow, okay?
Fast though?
What's fast?
You're good at a lot of things, but you're not fast at anything.
Accurate. That's accurate.
Yes. I'm not saying you're not good at stuff.
I do take my time.
You're just not fast at anything.
I like to thoroughly make sure everything's right. Alright, man, what are we talking about? Let's go.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Alright, guys, thanks for checking us out today. As always, make sure you hit that boom, boom, boom. Subscribe button.
Hit that button.
Check out our Instagrams. Because on fleek.
Twitter and Insta. Just check out Instagram.
Just the Instagram.
We stopped doing Twitter. Check out our Teespring store, too. Joe's got links down there. We got cool Garbage Pail Kid t-shirts.
Yes, you gotta get them.
And What the Show merch.
Yeah, for sure. And as always, guys, make sure you guys tune in next time for more
What the Show!
What the Show!
Nice. Want to do one more for the outro?
Alright, sure, man. That was rough.
Hit those buttons, guys. You can pick.
That was rough. Ooh. Don't like pink.
We got 15 seconds. Let's go.
Wait, what am I guessing one?
Yeah.
Oh, eat it?
I got a white one. It could be coconut or milk. Pour milk.
Oh, God. Oh.
That's pour milk there. Hit those buttons.